Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you how to enable or how to disable a frame rate limit in Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024. Firstly, press on the settings button on the right top corner of the screen. Then, here you will see General tab, so click on it. Here find Graphics and click on it too. And scroll down and find here frame rate limit. And we can use 100% of monitor refresh rate, so it's automatically detected the maximum monitor refresh rate and use 100% of this like a limit. You can use only 33% of monitor refresh rate. For example, I have 144 Hertz display, so in my case it's still playable, as you can understand, and 50% of monitor refresh rate, for example. But unfortunately, we can't choose, for example, 60 frames per second, and that's it. So only in this way. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.